In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-accounts in Zoho Books. If you've been looking to organize your accounting data more effectively, creating sub-accounts is a fantastic step. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly, so you'll have everything you need by the end. We'll begin by navigating to the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. To start, head over to the Accountant module, which you can find in the left-hand sidebar. Once you've located it, click on Chart of Accounts. This area is essentially the backbone of your accounting system, displaying all your financial accounts in one place. Next, let's create a new account. In the Chart of Accounts section, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Account. Go ahead and click that. This action will open a form where you'll have the opportunity to customize a few important settings. Your first task here is to select the appropriate account type. Whether it's income, expense, or asset, choose the category that best fits your new account. Now it's time to designate this account as a sub-account. This means it will be a subgroup of a larger account, helping to keep your accounting organized and streamlined. Start by entering a descriptive name for your new sub-account. This name should clearly convey the account's purpose or contents. Next, you'll need to check the box labeled Make this a sub-account. This step is crucial as it categorizes your account as a sub-account rather than a standalone entity. After that, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Parent Account. Here, you'll select the existing account under which your new sub-account will be organized. Choosing the right parent account is essential for maintaining clarity and cohesion in your financial records. For those of you who appreciate extra detail, there is an option to add an account code and a descriptive text entry. This additional information can be very helpful in providing context and ensuring all stakeholders fully understand the purpose and contents of this sub-account. Finally, let's wrap up by saving your work. Once you've filled in all the pertinent details and are satisfied with your entries, simply click the Save button. You'll notice that the new sub-account will now appear nested under its parent account within your chart of accounts. This visual confirmation not only affirms that you've successfully created a sub-account, but also allows you to see how it's been incorporated into your overall financial structure. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating sub-accounts in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can enhance your financial reporting and management. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting.